Alright, welcome to this quick view of RV-10 Papa Golf X-Ray. Here she is sitting in a hangar at Bankstown. Beautiful 2007 RV-10, just absolutely immaculate. We've washed and polished all of those wings. There's obviously entrance on both sides.
All good. All good.
PGX. So this is a normal hangar at Bankstown, always hangared, and she's here in Bankstown. Large cargo area here, side door entrance into the cargo area there, and coming up into the cockpit area here. It's the Dynon D120
Aircraft, it's a Vans, just landed, A-turn. If you can make a left-hand turn off the runway about that point, hold off the runway and a yellow high-vis will give you guidance to parking. A-firm, have the high-vis sighted, thank you.
Really nice cockpit to work with there. For seats here, all the seats with these shoulder harnesses. So here's one for the pilot, same for the right seat, and also in the back there as well. So, welcome any inquiries on this aircraft, anything about the history of the aircraft, its performance. It happily flies at 155 in the cruise, that's what we plan at, but also flies just as happily right back at 60-70 for approach. So get in contact with me, my name's Tony. I'm happy to tell you anything I can about this beautiful RV-10.